Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update flood zone research with FEMA, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the FEMA website. Navigate to the National Flood Insurance Program section. Look for the area dedicated to flood zone maps and data. Identify the specific state or region you are researching. Access the Flood Map Service Center. Use the search feature to find the flood zone map relevant to your area. Review the current flood zone designation for your property or area of interest. Take note of any discrepancies or changes since the last update. Gather supporting documentation to validate your claims. This documentation can include historical data, engineering reports, or scientific studies. Prepare a letter of request for a flood zone determination review. Clearly state your purpose and provide all relevant property details. Include your contact information for follow-up. Submit your request through the FEMA map change request process. Follow the instructions for any required forms or fees associated with your request. Stay informed about your request status by monitoring your email or the FEMA website. Be prepared to respond promptly if FEMA requests additional information. Once the review is complete, wait for the official determination notice. Carefully review the updated flood zone designation once received. If you disagree with the decision, explore the option for an appeal. Filing an appeal may require additional documentation and justification. Consult a professional if you need assistance with more complex appraisals. Promote awareness about updated flood zones in your community. Share important findings with local planning offices and residents. Keep your records organized for future reference. Stay engaged with FEMA for any ongoing updates related to flood zones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.